In this video, we'll have a look at what you can do in relation to teaching vocabulary with the Pioneer series. With the Pioneer series, we provide companions which are glossaries containing the pronunciation and translation of the English word. Some students think that this is all they need to learn. Unfortunately, this is not so. What else do we need to know about vocabulary? First of all, the real meaning of the word. Although a translation is an easy way to explain a word, it can also be quite inaccurate or even a false friend. How is the word pronounced? Where is the stress? Can your students recognize the word when listening? What are the grammatical patterns? Is the word countable or uncountable? Does it have an irregular plural? Does the word come with a preposition? Does the word have a positive, negative or neutral meaning? What is the register of the word? Is it formal or informal? Could you use it when talking to your friends or even the Queen? Is the word modern or outdated? How do we use the word in a sentence? Do we need a preposition? Which other words do we use it with? I could continue, but I believe you understand that just a translation isn't enough. So, what can we do and how can Pioneer help? As much as possible, provide vocabulary in context and in sample sentences. Ideally, the students write a personal sentence for each word, but this might not be easy to do. In the glossary section of the interactive whiteboard material, vocabulary is presented with a sample sentence and the definition. You can also listen to the pronunciation of the word and sample sentence. With the easily confused words exercises, the students don't just learn the differences between similar words, but they also learn which word to use in which situation. These are words that often have the same translation, but have a different meaning in English. Since the students will never learn all English words, it's also important to learn how to deal with unknown words. Pioneer helps to develop strategies for this. If you look at this example, some of the new words in the reading text are highlighted in yellow, and the students need to guess the meaning of these words based on context and match it with the definition. You can find plenty of additional exercises. For example, this exercise makes the students focus on which words we use together. Similarly, students often struggle with prepositions, so there are also plenty of exercises about phrasal verbs or words with prepositions. Learning about the prefixes and suffixes is quite important, since this will help the students recognize new words. For example, they understand hope, the suffix less, so they can understand the new word hopeless. The keywords also come back in the workbook exercises, so the students also see the word in a different sentence. Often the students are asked to write the correct form of the word, making the students focus not only on the meaning of the word, but also the grammatical aspects. As you can see, Pioneer doesn't just give a list of words that needs to be learnt, but also gives the students a better insight into how English works. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or problems, please contact your local representative and he or one of our teaching experts will be able to assist you.